All right, we have the new silhouette. And the reason I have the new silhouette, multiple reasons. But when you put it on for the first time, go in front of a mirror, make sure you got the top, which is where the adjustable nose wire is. Take both elastics and put it over your head. Swifty, one shot. Then put this up to your nose and locate the top elastic and bring that up toward the crown of your head. Adjust on your nose. Make sure there's no holes or flapping around here. And if you need to adjust it, you just press up or down, giving you more, tightening it up. If this needs to be looser, you can just pull up, and maybe you need to release a little for down here. It's personal adjustment. I'm sure you can do it, but the most important thing is that it should seal your face. The old ones sometimes seem to seal pretty well, sometimes not. And definitely if they were gifted to other people, some faces would vary. So that was one of the reasons I did it, okay? And the fogging, because if you wear glasses, fogging with masks is a problem. If you can put the bottom of the glasses a little bit over the mask as you've sealed it, you'll have less problems. Here's one of the things I really like about this mask. After I come out of the store, I just take down one elastic. I get in the car, I drive to wherever else I'm going, and then when I go back in the store, boom. I'm not handling the mask, putting it in the passenger seat, touching it all, contaminating it all. It, to me, is a much more practical way of going in and out of stores. As you know, I don't have to wear a mask all day long talking. So I gear my mask toward the needs that I have, which is going shopping, maybe going to multiple stores in one time period, and I want to avoid taking the mask on and off, on and off, on and off. So this is my answer. Hopefully you'll enjoy the fact that you don't have a big diaper over your face. It gives us Coakley heads a bit of a nice shape and maybe a little style, along with the deadly serious reason we need them. All right, take care.